Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how you can easily buy Tokyo Treat and get it delivered to your own doorstep. We have all seen various videos that are related to unboxing Tokyo Treat, but there are no any specific video that teaches you how to actually buy Tokyo Treat, and in this video I am going to do that. So watch this video properly. So firstly, you just scroll down to this YouTube video and click on show more. So I have kept a link here. You can click on that, and once you click that, there will be another windows opened, and in that tab you will see the official page of Tokyo Treat. So it may take a little bit time, but you need to be patient. So okay, so as you can see, as of today there's 29 days left to get our August box. Get it now. So you'll see such kind of screen. It may be a little bit different, but and if you notice here, you can see today's promo, so you can always check that firstly. So it says that check out our latest deals and promos, sign up to Tokyo Treat using KitKat 20. So you can copy it, if you'd like to sign up to Tokyo Treat, so that you can keep on ordering in future too and get guaranteed Japanese KitKats from summer and regional exclusives to a 60-piece Japanese KitKat treat. So this is a promo. You can utilize it by signing up to this Tokyo Treats official site. So here you can see it to take 2 to 5 days express DHL delivery to get it delivered to your home. So now you can check out these things, you can check their reviews, you can see this, you can subscribe to their channel. So there are various important things that you need to understand while ordering. So I'll show you one way to order, and it applies to all ways to order. So if you just click on get it now, or you can also give gift to someone you'd like. So just click on get it now, and then you'll see pricings. So it says choose your plan. Now you need to choose your plan. You can read this in premium of this Tokyo Treat. You can see you can get an exclusive strict membership, 17 full size item including one Japanese drink, one party pack, one anime snack, 5 popular Japanese snacks, 3 dagashi, 1 dai Japanese candy kit, 1 Japanese candy guidebook. So you can see this kind of several things. Now you can order 2 types of Tokyo Treat here. One would be a premium and another would be classic. So as you can see in flat rate, you can see that it would cost you $31.50 if you are buying premium, and if you are buying classic it would cost you $22.50. So now whichever I would show you, I'll just show you one. I would better show you premium, I guess. Yeah, so you can order this, and to order this you can click on see pricing. If you want to order classic, you can also click on see pricing. So for this video's sake, I'll make an order of premium. So you just need to click on see pricing. Now here is the main thing that makes people confused. Okay, so as you can see, it would cost you $31.50, but this pricing is for 12 months. So 31.50 into 12, you need to pay that, and you would be saving $42 in this order. So if you just want to order for 1 month, you can click on here and you'll pay $35. So if you want to check a little bit detail about this, you can just see here your subscription will auto renew. You can cancel at any time. So meaning if you are going to buy this package on a monthly basis, then you just order once and your order will be automatically made in another month. So if you are just thinking to buy for 1 month, you need to cancel that order, and it is easy to cancel. You just can click on help, and type how to cancel, how to cancel. Okay, you can just cancel, cancel, and you can just search how do I reactivate my cancel subscription, how do I cancel my subscription. You just click on here and read it. It is a very simple process. There is nothing complicated in there. Now in order to order, so if you are going to order for 3 months, then you will pay on 3 months basis in this subscription plan. Price per month for your 3-month prepaid subscription, you will pay 33.5 into 3 times. So if you are going to order for 6 months, it would be 32 into 6. Okay, you are going to pay that and you will save here $18. So whichever subscription you would like to buy, you can buy. So I'll show you for this video's purpose, I'll show you this, or okay, let me show you this. So if I click on get it now, then you can also sign up with Facebook, and you will be paying total $378. You'll put your first name, last name, email address, you'll make a password, and you just click on sign up. And in another section of this page, you'll see a place where you can put the promo code that you have got previously, that was KitKat20, for additional box. And you can use your payment method, that would be PayPal or credit card, whichever you would like to pay with. And as you can see, you'll pay $378 in this subscription pack, that is on yearly basis. You'll be paying for 12 months and you'll get delivered these snacks for 12 months without doing anything. But if you'd like to order for 1 month on a monthly basis, then you can just simply click on here and click on get it now. And you can fill this form and you can choose a payment method. You use a payment method. In second step, you can add some promotional code that you have got, and it is quite simple. Everything would be guided here, that would be never a problem. But always remember that this is a subscription pack and you need to cancel if you don't want to get charged regularly on monthly, yearly, 6 month, 3 month basis. Then you need to cancel the subscription. So to do that, you can, as I have already shown you, you just click on the help section and type how to cancel. It will be available anywhere in here, or you can see just click here, and here you can see there is a help section. It will appear here and you can just click on that help and read the details. So just type how to cancel, and then you'll get various guide that you can read. Okay, you just click on how do I cancel and read those things, and then you'll be able to cancel your subscription. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be bringing more this kind of videos in coming future. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.